Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, and we just got back from dropping Amaya off at school. I start work in 5 minutes, and I decided to vlog today because today I have a few things I have to do. So after I pick up Amaya, I have my sugar testing. I was able to rebook it at a location that closes at 5. So if I do have a hard time finding it, I have enough time to get there. I just wanted to say hello to everybody and show you guys this cute top I got from the dollar store. It says resting witch face. Like, hello. I'm wearing shorts, by the way. They just kind of rid up a little bit. Alex here. Her hair is so messy. I need to comb it. But yeah, I hope you guys are all having a good day. I just wanted to come here and say hello. I'm gonna go sign in, and yeah. So right now I just signed in. I'm about to get my computer set up for when I get any calls. I'm also going to check to see if I got any emails. For those of you that don't know, I got a new job. So basically I book COVID testing. I answer any type of inquiries that you may have about the vaccine and all that fun stuff. I also cancel appointments and I send proof of vaccination. So right now I'm just going to open up all the windows that I need for the day. I'm gonna go and see if there's any announcements or anything that I need to catch up on, like going into my email and all that fun stuff. Break time. So I'm currently on my lunch. Alex is eating her lunch. I made her a peanut butter sandwich and she's having some fruit. I did eat a little bit earlier. I had sushi before I went on break because I'm fat. But I'm actually gonna warm up some miso soup that I have just because I'm not like really hungry, but I kind of want to like put something in my mouth. Does that make sense? I don't know. I think I'm just being greedy. But yeah, I'm just gonna warm that up. My break is only 30 minutes, so I don't have a lot of time. Oops. Done? So I actually decided to put my soup in a cup. So it looks like miso soup. So I'm gonna sit down, drink this, and yes, Alex. Yes. Eat, baby. We have to go upstairs soon. So I'm just gonna enjoy this and then get back to work. Come on, little Alex, and eat your food. Come on, little Alex, eat your food. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Yay, come up the stairs with mommy.
Hi.
Hi. Come on. So I'm done work. We just picked up Amaya. She did very well at school today. Her teacher came and had a whole bunch of nice things to say. So we stopped at Starbucks and got ourselves a little treat. She got a pumpkin spice frappuccino creme with a warmed up pumpkin cream cheese muffin. I got a pumpkin spice latte decaf and a pumpkin cream cheese muffin warmed up. So now we're just gonna head towards the appointment. I'm gonna try and get there a little bit earlier just to see if they'll take me so that I can leave a little bit early because this is an hour test. So once I drink the yucky drink, I have to stay for like an hour. So we're gonna head down now because it is a little bit further. It's not in the city that I live in, so we're gonna head there. So I drank the yucky drink, so now we're waiting. My timer to go back is at 4:37. So yeah, I'm just here with the kids. So we gotta wait here for an hour and then they have to draw some blood and then we're free to go.
I've been dreaming all night.
night.
Everybody, so it's actually the next day. Today was it wasn't a good day for me. I didn't plan on vlogging today. I had a really rough morning. Like I cried. It just wasn't a good day, but I'm feeling a little bit better. So I decided that I'm going to do some packing. Yeah, I really didn't want to take the camera out today, but I'm feeling a little bit better. So I decided just to pull it out. I know it's like later in the night, it's like almost 8 o'clock, but I do want to start packing because we literally move in 3 weeks. And obviously I haven't started packing. So I'm going to do some of that. And yeah, and then I'm going to call it a night, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. This is my linen closet, aka my wig, my perfume, my junk closet. I have a whole bunch of stuff in here. So yeah, we're just gonna start putting away the things that I'm not using, which is basically everything up here. I'm gonna pack away majority of my hair stuff and like my Bath and Body Works perfumes and stuff because I'm not using them. And then yeah, I think I'm only gonna do these 2 shelves for now because again, it is kind of late and I don't want to wear myself out, and I've been feeling like a lot of lower pain, so I don't want to push myself too much. But yeah, let's start packing.
Time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna die knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while. Love of mine.
Okay, so this is what I finished so far. I have to get a smaller bin. I left these out because I feel like even though we only have 3 weeks, I might need something here. And then I just need another bin just to put these stuff up there. And then tomorrow we're gonna tackle down here. And I'm also gonna go and get some U-Haul boxes as well. So the goal is to have this cleared by Friday. So that's all I'm gonna do for tonight. I need to get the kids ready for bed because it is 8:30 and Amaya at least has school in the morning and I have work in the morning. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. So it is wow, I was gonna say it's Friday. It's actually Thursday. We dropped Amaya to school. I'm signed in for work. Yesterday, like I was saying before, I was not feeling myself. I was super emotional. I had a meltdown. Like I started crying and stuff like that. Mercury retrograde is a thing, you guys. Like my emotions, my thoughts, I felt so confused and fluttered. Like it was crazy, but I'm feeling a lot better today. So yes to that. We do have a few things planned. So when I pick up Amaya, I do need to find some U-Haul boxes just because I want to finish packing up the closet. And then tomorrow I would like to start downstairs. So I'm going to bring you guys along with that. We might go do a little bit of thrifting. I don't know yet if we have enough time. But I just wanted to come on here and say good morning to everybody. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day. And I'll probably see you guys either on my break or when my shift's done. Hello, friends. So I'm done work. It's almost 2:30, so we're about to leave to go and get Amaya. And then when I pick her up, I don't think we're gonna go for thrifting today. I'm actually thinking about checking out a furniture store to look for a couch and a dining set. So we're gonna do that, and then we're also gonna get U-Haul. We just left the furniture store and we found our couches. I was not able to vlog inside just because somebody was giving me such a hard time, and the place is super small, so I couldn't bring the stroller in. It was very chaotic in there. But yes, we did find our couches. I just paid for them. I'm super happy. Unfortunately, I did not find a dining set, so we're gonna be looking for that. We're not gonna do that today because like this whole furniture finanza kind of stressed me out a little bit. I'm super happy. It took me forever to decide like what color couch I wanted, just because like I'm super girly, princess like, and I'm like, I don't really want to do a dark color, but like I can't go too light because I have children. So we went with like a medium brown. I know I'll be able to make it look all nice and pretty. So yeah, I'm really happy that today was a success. But right now we are going to go get some boxes, some U-Haul boxes, and I'm also gonna get an iced coffee from McDonald's because I'm thirsty. Good morning. everybody. So today's Friday. I just signed in for work. We dropped him at school. I wanted to come on quickly and end the vlog. I did finish packing the cupboard last night, so I'm really happy about that. Today I'm going to tackle the closet and some stuff downstairs, like plates and all that stuff that we're not using. I also wanted to show you guys a few cute pink girly items that I ordered off of Amazon, and I think that you guys will really like them. They haven't arrived yet. Well, the pots have arrived, but they're still in the box. So I'm just gonna insert picture here. So I ordered pink pots. I ordered this really cute pink chair. And then I also ordered a Kate Spade pink toaster. So I really wanted to share that with you guys because I thought that you guys would appreciate it, because I'm pretty sure you guys like pink too. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys really did enjoy this vlog. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!